the development of a revolutionary generation of intelligent soft biomaterials. This is what the planned Cluster of Excellence project CoM2Life is about. We will learn more about it today from Dr. Andrea Belluati, biotechnologist at the Center for Synthetic Biology at TU Darmstadt. Welcome, Mr. Belluati. Nice to have you here.
Hello, thank you for having me.
Mr. Belluati, as a young researcher, you are involved in the project CoM2Life, which is running as a cluster of excellence. What exactly is your part in CoM2Life?
Well, as an associated PI, my part was both about developing ideas together with the other researchers and performing research in collaboration with both the University of Mainz and the Max Planck Institute to further strengthen and support our claims in this proposal.
And what is new about this approach?
So, my approach is innovative because it combines bottom-up synthetic biology with polymer chemistry to create novel complex materials that aim to be as complex and versatile as living cells. For example, I have been developing new artificial cells, so systems that look like real cells but not alive and yet still biologically active, and polymer cell matrices that form living materials.
And if we look at possible applications, how could your research results improve, like, for example, healthcare or medical research, and who could benefit from it?
So ideally, we see that as a way to make new microreactors that can be used as support for tissue engineering for regenerative medicine applications, or as ways to produce drugs and deliver them in situ within the body.
And we already mentioned it, the project is applying as a cluster of excellence. And what would be the next steps in your research if the project gained the funding?
So the first step in this would be to make these non-living systems even closer to being living by making them capable of self-synthesizing and proliferating to make them more sustainable and economically viable.
And this excellence, the so-called excellence strategy of the German federal and state governments, is highly prestigious. And what does it mean to you as an early career researcher to be part of such a renowned project as CoM2Life? And what motivates you?
Participating in this allowed me to interact with many senior researchers and PIs and to actually see the broader picture of such a wide-spanning project. And this motivated me to come up with new ideas and possible new venues for my research. That was extremely exciting and motivating.
And finally, in one sentence, please, what would you be most looking forward to if CoM2Life receives the excellence funding?
Finally, I would like to start working on all the exciting ideas that we had been discussing about in the past months.
Thank you very much for the interview,
Thank you.
Mr. Belluati, and we keep our fingers crossed for the decision
We
of the
really do.
Excellence Commission on May 22nd.
Thank you.